Here's how I did the sounds of this elevator door opening and closing. First, I set oscillator 1 to send white noise. I set up a simple envelope with just a little bit of attack. Then I'll control the low-pass filter cutoff. When I open the filter and you hear the higher frequencies, that's the door opening. And when I close the filter as it's playing, that's the door closing. To get the sound of the ship taking off, I just blew into a microphone that was kind of a little bit distorted going through the MS-20. If you like synthesizers and cool sounds, and maybe even pixel art, take a look at my cartoon. It's about two pledge brothers pledging a space fraternity in the future.